Hi guys, so sorry if you hear the music. My mom is just jamming out to some 80s songs. But I'm going to a video shoot for the salon guy. I don't know if you guys know him, but he has a YouTube channel and he is like a hairstylist. He's so cool and like so talented, and he asked me if I could collab with him on his channel. He's gonna be doing like a prom hair look on me, and then I'm also getting my makeup done, and I'm so excited for that because I've never got my makeup done before. But yeah, I'm so excited, and yeah, that's it. So let's go. This is the outfit. Bonfire, my like merch, I guess. Papaya, and then Brandy Melville, Converse.
Yeah, because she'd be better than me. She does. Yeah, so just Kelly, and then
Wow.
And then you'll
Minutes. Hey, Mary, can you stand on this side over here? Because I'm gonna introduce the whole thing and we'll get it going. You guys ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
As long as you two are ready. I'm not ready, but as long as you two are ready. Hey guys, Steven, the salon guy here, and today I have a really, really special video. I have two amazing guests next to me. This is Kelly and this is Mary. So Kelly is this up-and-coming YouTuber. I think you're amazing. I'm a huge fan. Huge fan. And Mary is a ridiculously talented makeup artist, and she's gorgeous. So today what we're doing is we're gonna do a fun, kind of simple hair tutorial of how to get like a formal type look, whether it's for prom or anything formal, really, really quick, very easy to do yourself. And then Mary is going to do Kelly's makeup with a really fun look. We're gonna break down each topic of what we're doing. You're gonna describe what you're doing for the makeup, and we're gonna breeze through it, and we're gonna have some fun. So I'm ready to go, let's get started. So Kelly, tell me about your shirts and stuff. Those are sick shirts you have, man. Spray, a little bit of hairspray on Kelly's hair, just to kind of, sometimes hair is better a little bit on the not so clean side, and it's easier to work with. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this into 4 ponytails. And the best way you really can do this is just section it off, especially if you're doing this yourself. Section it off, doesn't matter how high you do it. I would probably say like a little bit on the higher side, like right to here. The same thing on this side, and then 2 in the back. So I'm gonna do those and we'll break back.
Personally, I'm very sensitive. So actually, if I use any drugstore foundation or anything like that, I break out.
Really?
Yeah, but very, very sensitive. Like I said, I have adult acne.
Honestly, I just like experiment with different things.
Pieces. So these are the hair that's just hanging out of the ponytail. So if you're in a rush, if you want to get something done really quickly, you can do it. Like, it's great for fine hair, medium hair. Just if you're like want a 5-minute kind of loose wave, this is perfect. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna let this sit, and we're gonna bring Mary in to Kelly's makeup. And then when the makeup is done, we're gonna pull these curls out, and then we're just gonna kind of run our fingers through it. It's gonna create like a nice, soft kind of vintage or bouncy, nice, fun wave. And then that's it. So I'm gonna turn it over to Mary to do Kelly's makeup. Go ahead. All right, let me put the.
Hi, I'm Mary, and today we're going to be doing Kelly's makeup. She has a picture of the beautiful Kendall Jenner. We're just going to do a nice, glowing, bronzy look for her inspired makeup.
Perfect.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. A nice close-up. Yes. You know,
Do you want to shout out your Instagram?
Or Mary had a little lamb. So awkward and terrible.
I can't get over how much she looks like Lucy Hill.
Yeah.
Like, I just keep staring at her, I'm like, oh my god, it's her.
do me a favor, Kelly. This is a GoPro. Just hold on to this, almost like if you're shooting, you know. Yeah.
I will if I gotta go.
Kelly, are you thinking how much money you have using all this stuff?
I think so. She's my mom. You look really red.
Thank you. Let's focus on Kelly right now. All right, guys. I had a lot of fun. Did you have fun, Kelly? Awesome. High five. Thank you. Great job on the makeup. So I'm going to put the links to their social media stuff on Kelly's YouTube and Mary's Instagram in the description below. Give them a follow. And thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time for more videos of the salon.
So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm filming this on Monday and this was from Saturday, so obviously like I look a little different. It's Monday, so his video isn't out yet, but I'll let you guys know when I post this if it's out or not, and I'll be sure to put it in the description along with all his social media, along with Mary's social media, and yeah. Also, my mom vlogged for me, so thanks, girl. And I have to go study for my history test, so I'll see you guys on Sunday with another new video. Not sure what it is, but we're gonna figure it out. Okay, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Bye.